guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna give you guys a disclaimer beforehand only that you're gonna be watching a lot of hauls, a lot of shopping stuff, a lot of basically मैं बहुत खर्चा करने वाली हूँ इस month, so just giving you guys a heads up, you're gonna be watching a lot of these hauls in this month, okay? There's like so many sales happening and I'm going to each and every one of them and I'm picking up so much stuff. Like I have too much stuff right now, but I'm not complaining. I love it. Like I really love shopping, especially in the sale time. This time we had this flat 50% off in Oberoi Mall, which is one of the malls in Bombay, and I'm not sure if that's like a one-day sale or if that was like an ongoing sale, but anyway, I went on the first day itself. I don't think it makes sense if you don't go on the first day itself. That too, if you go in the first half, you will still be able to find something because second half में तो सब खत्म हो जाता है. So I went there around 5:30ish. कुछ नहीं मिला bro, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया था. The only place that I could shop from was Zara because वहाँ पे trials were not allowed and your girl has an eye for things, right? So she didn't really have to try out things. I can look at the piece and be like, okay dude, this is gonna look nice on me. Especially when it comes to shopping from Zara, you should never miss out on like the sale period because they have some really amazing pieces and they slash down their prices up to I think 30 or 40% off, and then they have like those special racks which are 50% off and stuff like that. Now a lot of people actually get confused when they're shopping from brands because ye fashion se nikal jayega, why do you want to spend so much money on this one dress which is just trending right now and everything. So when I shop from brands, when I shop from malls, I basically pick out like basics basically. I love picking out basic things, you know, because I feel like they're so versatile, they're never going out of style, and yeah, they're just nice, you know, you can just wear them every day. They're just very like rough usage things. So yeah, I treat them like that. Anyway, picked up a bunch of basic things and we have this huge bag full of my basic stuff that I got from Zara. And yeah, without wasting any more time, I think that was a very long introduction. Was it even an introduction anymore? So the first pant that I got, and also the pant that I'm going to be living in almost half the year till I get new pants, are these ones. These are very soft corduroy black pants and they're wide and they're so comfortable. I cannot wear skinny jeans anymore because they're so uncomfortable. Like they're uncomfortable to me because I want my legs to be able to breathe, you know, like I can't, like I feel suffocated even thinking about wearing skinny jeans right now. But anyway, once you start wearing stuff like this, you can never go back to wearing skinny jeans. Trust me on that. Giving you guys a heads up, if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna be watching me wear this almost every day, so just bear with me, okay? Anyway, so I got these pants for 1200 rupees. These were for 2600 or something and I got it for 1200. Okay, so you guys, I just realized there was no sale on the pants. But you know what? I'm not angry because these pants are totally worth the money. I know I'm going to be wearing them every day. I'm literally going to be living in these pants. These are so comfortable, I can't even. And along with that, you guys, I got a bunch of crop tops. So this is the first bodysuit that I got. It's this nice beige bodysuit and the size that I got is XS, extra small. Really like the fit of it. It's not too deep, it's not too wide. It's just perfect. So yeah, this is the first one. It's for 800 rupees or something. I got another one in black. It's exactly the same thing. I just wanted another one in black. Plain tops have my heart, you guys. You can style it in so many ways. You can accessorize it. You can just like layer it up with jackets and stuff. But I feel like you have to have some basic t-shirts, gunjis and crop tops in your wardrobe because it looks simple, but you can actually glamorize it and look, you know, like very oh, I woke up like this, so fashionably me, etc, etc. The top is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's this high neck crop top. I'll just stand up. Okay, so this is the top. First, I did not have any high neck in my collection. Second, I don't have this color in my collection, in my wardrobe, so I had to get this piece because I feel like it's nice. It's very like, I don't know, it has a vibe. I think high neck tops always have a vibe. Okay, so the fourth thing that I got is again also a crop top. Did I mention that I only got crop tops? If I didn't, then I just did. You can actually style it with some ripped jeans, some baggy jeans, or like silver accessories. If you're going to college, I think this is like a very college top. All these college kids that I see these days, they're only wearing stuff like this, so I'm trying to be one of them. The last and final thing that I got, I can't believe this is literally the last and final thing of my haul. But anyway, you guys, don't worry, I have another one coming pretty soon. So this is the last top that I got. This is a nice red crop top. It's cotton and it is extra small, but it's still a bit loose to me. I don't know why. It's probably the material is not stretchy and it's supposed to be like a little loose. I don't know, but the fitting is not like very tight from here. It's a little wobbly. This is how it's supposed to be, I'm guessing. But you know, Valentine's is just around the corner and I was like, why not pamper myself with a red top? That is it, you guys. This is it from the Zara sale shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a tiny one, but trust me, there might be a few more hauls coming your way. So yeah, I will be spending a lot of money this month. I can already sense it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one out of the entire haul is your favorite outfit. The jeans, I'm pretty sure, is your favorite already because it's my favorite already. So yeah, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that is it, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.